This is.
Pred začatím samotného videa by som chcel povedať, že udalosti v tomto videu sú naozaj extrémne a ako Airsoft komunita by sme sa presne týmto situáciám mali vyvarovať. Toto video slúži ako ukážka, čo všetko sa na Airsoft ihrisku dokáže stať, keď sa stretnú nesprávni ľudia. Nezabudnite nahodiť like a odber a bez ďalšieho obkecávania poďme na video.
Sorry. Oh my god, are you okay? Ref! Time out! Ref! What happened? I used a grenade launcher on him. Get everyone off the field. I'm good, I'm good. Hey! I'm good, dude.
Hit.
I can take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ow! Are you fucking kidding me, dude? You need to be shooting semi-auto inside. Call yourself out. I'm walking off. That's bullshit, and you know it. Fuck this ball.
Did that guy just fall out of you? Hey, did that guy just fall out of you? I'm not part of it.
Hey, no, take out your shit. Take it off. Take it off. Back off!
Hey, are you okay?
Hey, chill out.
Hey, ref! Ref! Hey, who has medical experience? Hey, who has medical experience? Hey!
Call 911!
Hey!
Watch your ass, bitch! Get over here! Now! Bitch! Anybody have a band?
I'm not full auto. It's not full auto.
That's not full auto?
This is. That's full auto.
Damn, bro. Okay.
Wait.
Oh.
I shot you.
I'm pre-firing, man. No way. You're pre-firing me? Yeah. What is this, Call of Duty? Is this Call of Duty? Yeah. No, it's Airsoft, so you're out. Nah.
Czekaj. No bo nic się nie stało. Graj.
Come here. Hey, you good? What the? Hold on. Guys. I'm grabbing his.
Yo, what the fuck? You can't do that. You can't do that.
Yeah, you can't blast me with a full auto either. What the fuck?
So you're shooting through the gate, and you're hitting me a bunch of times.
All right, so what? You're hitting us. You gotta let us out too.
I'm playing fair though.
You ain't playing fair either.
I am playing fair.
You gotta let us out, man.
That's fair. I'm allowed to do that.
You ain't allowed to spray me with full auto.
All right. But and you're allowed to spray even after you.
Are we playing full auto?
No.
So why are you playing
Are we
with
playing
full auto?
with? You can shoot out
No,
the
I
door.
heard full auto. You played with full auto.
Hey, where they at, bro? Yeah.
Keep your freaking distance, all right?
What do you mean?
We were right here within 10 feet, man.
This
Come
is
on,
more than
keep
10
walking
feet.
away.
This is more than. Don't scare me. This is more.
No, you need to stop doing that, all right?
This is
Damn
more
it.
than 10.
Point blank right in the stomach.
One, I'm on your team, and two, that is way too close. Bro, Dave.